Great styling and tech help the 2024 Genesis GV60 stand out from the crowd. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Genesis GV60? In its second year of release, the Genesis GV60 is still a standout model. It is constructed on the same electric crossover platform as the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6, and rivals include the Model Y from Tesla and the C40 and XC40 from Volvo. It's good, possibly even excellent, for the appropriate driver. The GV60 impresses us with its comfortable cabin, easy-to-use technology, and solid list of standard amenities, despite its subpar suspension system. An 8.2 out of 10 TCC rating is awarded to this Genesis. What's new for the 2024 Genesis GV60? A new rear-wheel drive model increases the range from 248 miles to 294 miles while lowering the entry price by $8,500. The range of the dual-motor vehicle is also increased by 16 miles to 264 miles, but only because Genesis reduced the standard wheels from 20 inches to 19 inches in size. With an estimated 235 miles of range, the performance trim still rides on 21-inch wheels, while the 20-inch wheels are now an option. Although the GV60's cabin and technology are significantly better than those of its Hyundai and Kia relatives, this is understandable given the difference in price. The exterior of the GV60 combines typical Genesis features like the grille's ambiguously aeronautical design, minimal front and back overhangs, and parallel lines running across the lights with a largely traditional crossover appearance. It's a little yet effective style statement in a bold package. A 168 kilowatts rear motor with a 225 horsepower rating and a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack power the GV60 standard RWD. The longer-range versions of the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6 share the same 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery with the dual-motor model. With a front motor of 74 kilowatts and a rear motor of 160 kilowatts, the entry-level advanced model can produce a total of 314 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. The performance variant also has a 160 kilowatts motor up front, producing a combined output of 429 horsepower and 516 lb-ft, with the boost mode engaged. This output may be momentarily enhanced to 483 horsepower. A road scanning camera is used by the improved suspension system in performance models to detect irregularities in the road and make necessary adjustments. With a DC fast charger, the 800-volt charging architecture of both variants allows the GV60 to be fully charged from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. The cabin has an intriguing mix of shapes and materials that give off an expensive vibe without trying too hard. Function above fashion is prioritized in the center console, which has a decent arrangement and lots of storage. However, there is one noteworthy exception to this rule, an illuminated orb that conceals the gear selector. The GV60 from Genesis comes equipped with a feature list that surpasses the complete options menus of several SUVs. The infotainment system and instrument cluster are housed in two 12.3-inch screens. Other features of the GV60 include a motorized tailgate, a Bang & Olufsen audio, wireless device charging, a panoramic glass roof, and a head-up display. This year, a digital key and Wi-Fi hotspot have become normal. Additional airbags, a seatbelt pretensioner, and an improved adaptive cruise control system that maintains the car's lane alignment are among the more commonplace safety features. In addition, there are blind spot monitors, a surround view camera system, active lane control, adaptive cruise control, and standard automated emergency braking. What is the price of the Genesis GV60 in 2024? The price of the 2024 Genesis GV60 standard RWD is $53,195, which includes a $1,195 destination fee that is required. The price of the performance model is $70,745, while that of the GV60 Advanced AWD is $61,745. There is no federal EV tax credit available for it. Though the GV60 Performance AWD will be available later this year, the 2024 GV60 is currently available in about half of the states: Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Washington, and Wisconsin. 2024 Genesis GV60 styling. The Genesis GV60 has a good appearance from most sides, and its stylish and functional interior is impressive. Here, we give the former 1 point and the latter 2 for a total score of 8. It has a streamlined front while the sides are stubby in a sporty yet generally attractive fashion. Gray cladding at the bottom borders is a feature shared by all models, albeit it does appear better on some colors than others. Ebony and well considered, the circular cabin layout features controls that are conveniently located. Although the center console orb may appear unnecessary, it also offers a quick and simple method to confirm that the GV60 is turned off, which can be challenging in some EVs. 2024 Genesis GV60 comfort and quality. Despite its small size, the 2024 Genesis GV60 has surprisingly roomy interior for passengers. The Genesis GV60 boasts good cargo and passenger room despite being smaller and shorter than most of its competitors, thanks to its effective layout. We give it 3 points, 1 for the front seats, 1 for the general fit and finish, and 1 for the ingenious use of space. It scores an 8. With plenty of headroom, 24.0 cubic feet of storage space, and 37.6 inches of back legroom, the GV60 appears surprisingly roomy and open in both rows for a compact crossover. Not only does the cockpit have high-end materials, but the entire cabin maintains this level of luxury. The performance models have luxurious diamond-patterned premium leather upholstery that enhances both the look and feel. How safe is the Genesis GV60? In the 4 tests it conducted, the IIHS gave the 2023 model the highest possible score of good, and it rated it as a top safety pick plus. The NHTSA has not yet assessed the GV60. We give the GV60 a 7 for both its strong standard safety technology and IIHS rating. Of all the new cars available for purchase, the Genesis GV60 has one of the best basic safety technology packages. This includes the standard features like parking sensors for both the front and rear of the vehicle, blind spot monitors, and automated emergency braking. In addition, there is a surround view camera system, adaptive cruise control, a head-up display, automatic high-beam headlights, and automatic windshield wipers. Which Genesis GV60 should I buy? The standard GV60 Advanced will satisfy most buyers for $61,745. Innovative facial recognition technology in the B-pillar and a fingerprint scanner system in the console that serves as a biometric key are just a couple of the technological elements. Put another way, you don't even need a smartphone app to unlock and start this Genesis. The camera is unaffected by pictures or printed images and functions in all types of weather and lighting. 2 12.3-inch screens, one for infotainment and the other for the instrument cluster, are located within. Standard features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto need a cable connection. Standard features include a remote park assist system, power-adjustable heated and cooled front seats, a Bang & Olufsen radio, wireless device charging, a heated steering wheel, and retractable door handles. What does a fully equipped Genesis GV60 cost? The performance variant, with its enhanced suspension system, luxury leather upholstery, massaging feature for the driver's seat, and heated rear seats, comes with a price tag of $70,745 on budget. Thanks for watching.